Hey everybody, I'm Jyotsna Venkatesh, and as I promised to all of you all that you all been waiting for the show called Celebrity Cook Show with Jazz Studio. Yes, we are going to talk lots and lots of things in this show. So we're going to invite a lot of celebrities, kids, a lot of people from corporate industries everywhere where they're going to cook, show us their talents. So cooking need not be a talent based, but it's all about the way you create. Every day people ask me about how I cook and what do I cook. Well, something that I love is more innovative, probably create something which probably is not a kind of a dish that itself is, but something which is going to be exciting. So everybody ask me every day that what do you drink, what do you eat, how healthy it is, and blah 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 blah. But yes, so I decided that I'm going to do something very special. So we're going to introduce this cook and celebrities with Jazz Studio. So let's start going. So today I'm going to do something, a smoothie, which probably I would say which gives you a great healthy skin, healthy hair, and of course a great body. So here I'm using very simple recipe, so you don't have to go to the market. It's going to be available at your home and quick something. It's healthy, it's going to fill your tummies, and yet it's going to be yummy. So let's start it. So today what I'm going to use for my smoothie is mangoes, and I have some pineapples, then I have some dry fruits, then I have some oats, and then I have just the Greek yogurt. So all this I'm going to put it in the blender, blend it, and my smoothie is all set to go. So it can be a part of your pre-workout, it can be a part of your post-workout, or even a mid-meal snack. So let's get started. So here are my ingredients all ready. So people who don't like mangoes, as simple as it is, you can make this as a smoothie, because I personally don't like mangoes, but since it's a season and it has a lot of health benefits, so I'm trying to try this mango in my smoothie. So let's start it. So here we go. So I have frozen this. So what I've done with this is, if you're going to add the frozen mangoes, probably you can cut this and put it in your freezer about an hour or two before you put that into the smoothie, because this is going to taste really amazing. So I'm going to add some mangoes. Well, pineapples are my favorite, so I'm going to use a couple of pineapples out there. Maybe a 2 to 3 slice should be perfect, right? And most healthiest one. So why I'm using the Greek yogurt? One, it has a high protein, so people who are health conscious can go this, since it has a natural creatine in it, so you can go for this. How much I'm going to use Greek yogurt? A couple of spoons, maybe just a 2 to 3 teaspoons of Greek yogurt. I'm going to add, yes, right there. That's it. So guys, that's mango, which is frozen. Then we have pineapples, and all that I added is the Greek yogurt. Okay, so I'm going ahead and going to blend now. So did you all see? That was pretty easy recipe. Now the secret is, if you want to really hungry and if you want to add up a little more filler, so maybe right before your workout you can also add some oats. So this is something that I've added is baked granola, which has a raspberry and a lot of ingredients like yours, the seeds and pumpkin seeds and raspberry seeds and blah blah blah. So I'm going to add a couple of spoons of this as well, just as my lower layer of it. So this has a little bit of dark chocolate as well, so I'm not adding sugar, nothing for my recipe as such, so it's all natural. So yeah, here. So I can add a little more on top of. And top it up finally again with the smoothie. Doesn't that look delicious? I'm already tempted. Okay, so yes, I love dry fruits, so we can add our favorite nuts if you want, if you're a nuts person. So yeah, a couple of almonds, raisins and walnuts. There you go. And now I'm going to garnish it with in a mixing pineapple. Yes. So that's it, guys. It's all so easy. So you don't have to really worried about anything. So I am now probably gonna taste. Okay, just before that, let me sanitize my hand, which is important. So all set to drink this yummy smoothie. Did you all see? This was so amazing and it hardly took any time, and believe you me, it's gonna be one of the best pre-workout or a post-workout or a mid-meal snack. If you really love, this is the only secret of my glowing skin and hair. So want to see how strong this is going to make? This is very easy. Go ahead and just try this amazing recipe and let me know how did you like. So let me taste that. Just delicious. So let's wait what's next in the kitchen of Cook with Celebrities by Jazz Studio. Wait and watch what's coming up next.